Can you please share the screen?
Yeah, it's just, okay, it's, all right, it's logged in now. Okay. So this looks about right. Okay, so quickly, we definitely don't want people to log in with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. I'll say that. Yeah, it's because it's like definitely not a social media thing. Yeah.
Okay.
But I think it's a really cool idea. But I think it's really so I guess the thing is that the reason why we don't want to have that aspect is, because they track data and stuff like that, and it's really important that for when people are doing research or have clients and things like that, that the data is really confidential.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
This website is only to generate our configuration of the application. The data itself will not go through this thing.
Yeah. I know that, but yeah.
You can just press. You can just press any buttons you want.
Okay. Oh, cool! That looks very cute. Okay, so what? So just press a button and see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the profile of the user.
That's right. We can add more information here.
Okay. No. This is fine. Stimuli. So. Okay.
Yeah, that's the placeholder. We will ask the data team to put their configuration here.
Oh, right. So generate a new one will be something that's highly customizable, and these will do different variables, I guess. And then open stored stimuli would be if you've created a preset, you can call it something and then run it. Is that right?
That's right. You can press the buttons on the screen. Most of the buttons are. That will be information for you. What will happen?
Oh. Look, this is an introduction to me for how you guys do stuff, but this is really cool.
This will be the application page. It can be run here.
Yeah, it's I think it's really useful that so this is basically, if you click this, it will show you a page, a mock of what based on your settings, what the screen will look like. Is that correct?
No,
is that what this is?
That's the actual application page, which will be developed by Team Koala.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's what run does. Okay, yep, I get you. And
sorry, that's why.
No. All right.
You can start them. You can just and filter them according to any criteria, like whether you start them.
Oh, really? This is all right. So okay, I'll click on the filter. Oh no, all right, and you can sort.
I think you accidentally blocked the notifications. Therefore,
did I?
Notifications will be allowed from here.
What did I do? How did I do that? Let me refresh it and see. I didn't mean to do it. I don't know how I did it. There we go. Return. Okay, I got it back. I don't know how I accidentally got rid of it. And okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just understanding how this works and thinking there's some really cool ideas in this.
If you have any question, just ask me.
Yeah.
Here we want to put some like preset and preset applications here in the preset stimuli, and other users.
Wait, can you say that again? Sorry.
about the preset stimuli, the star. We can
Oh, right. Yeah.
we can put some preset stimuli here. It can be provided by you or other experts. This will as a guide for users to configure their stimuli. They can just save them, edit them, change them any way they want.
Cool. All right. All right, let me have a look at the data aspect.
And there are two unread data. They are marked as new.
Okay.
By data, I mean the results.
Yeah. So right, I have I don't know sorry, it's not entirely clear to me which team would be best to ask about this. But so with the iPad version, does the data collected on the iPad automatically get sent to this website, or
automatically send it to this website as soon as there is a connection?
Yep. Okay, cool. Sorry. Yeah. So I think, I think if you wanted to put graphs and charts and stuff, that would be really useful. So I think it's useful to have summary data, and if you wanted to put it in some form of a chart, that would be like fine as well. Like whatever you think would be interesting. But I think this is a good way of putting it. That said, I think
and you can always download them here and filter
so you can download
the ones you want and download them in mass.
All right, so you can select which ones you want.
Yeah, you can use a filter to get the ones you want and download.
So all right, so I think that this is fine. I guess the only aspect is oh no, yeah, so I think no, that's fine. The stimuli used will sort of change a little bit depending on what task they use, right? Is that?
Yeah, I mean the stimuli used, that's the name you created yourself. You can configure it your stimuli and give it a name.
Okay, yeah. So if I go back to here, there's
and
open. Okay, and then it's here. Okay, yep. So I guess my question is, so basically, okay, just to reiterate, this part here will be what the other team is working on, and it'll be sort of opened up and fed in here to some degree. Is that right?
Yeah, you can put any configuration here to generate the stimuli.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Okay, sorry, I just wanted to understand where that was coming from.
This by people, I mean the actually application users, the one who will be taking the test. You can add the participant and add them by email list.
Yeah. So the one thing that I wonder about with this is, where do you select which task they get sent? Given that there's this customizable, all the different tasks that you can create, so you have the children or adult 30 to 40. What part in here do you say send them this version?
This is the place you manage your participants. It's not the place you send them. You can click on the manage people.
Okay, so wait.
And you can select send.
Oh, okay. So here I could say,